What's up, guys? Good morning. Sketch here with another video. Today we shall be learning the basics of doing a skipping rope. We shall be starting by analyzing the size of the rope. The size of the rope should be just above the hip. Remember, guys, skipping rope is the best exercise for your heart. It is the best cardiovascular activity. So basically, skipping ropes will help improve your cardio health, and basically reducing your cardio health will get you rid of very many illnesses and will keep you fit. So let's go. Basically, so what you are about to do here is you got to move your hands in this circular motion. The wrists will be the only one moving. Then you want to jump with your legs like this, then just a little high off the ground. You don't want to jump too high. So let's go. So the basics is that you don't jump too high, and you jump with your the tips of your toes, and you just small heights. We're gonna practice doing it slow, then later you can perfect it and go with your upscale speeds. Let's go, let's do it, baby. So basically that's it, guys. Thank you for having me. Let's keep fit. Bye.